Let's crochet a coaster. Make a magic ring and a slip knot. Make a chain stitch and then make 10 double crochet inside the magic ring. After making 9 double crochet, tighten the magic ring by pulling the other side of the yarn. Make a slip knot to close the magic ring. Now make 2 chain stitches to increase the height. Now make 2 double crochet in each chain stitch. Make a slip knot to close the ring. Now make 2 double crochet to increase the height. Now make 1 double crochet in a chain stitch, and then 2 double crochet in the next chain stitch, and follow the sequence. Make a slip knot again to close the ring. Make 2 chain stitches to increase the height. Now make 1 double crochet in the first stitch and again 1 double crochet in the second stitch, and then 2 double crochet in the third chain stitch, and follow this sequence. Make a slip knot to close the magic circle. Attic the green color yarn by slip knot. Make 3 chain stitches and consider it a double crochet. Now make a double crochet in the same chain stitch. Skip the next chain stitch and then make a double crochet and a chain stitch. And then again, double crochet in the 3rd chain stitch. Now follow this pattern. Skip 1 chain stitch and then make a double crochet and a chain stitch, and then again double crochet in the next chain stitch. Make a slip knot to close the circle. Attach the other clue of yarn by making a slip stitch, and then make 2 chain stitches. Now make 5 double crochet in the same place, and then make a slip stitch with the first chain stitch to give it a bud-like shape. Now make 2 chain stitches and a slip knot, and then again make this bud in each space.